So ayun, tinanggap natin yung challenge na 100 push-ups per day ng isang buong buwan. And tapos na natin yung day 1. Wala pa naman pinagbago. Medyo lumaki lang yung chest natin onte. So good, we're still making a progress. And tapusin natin yon ng 30 days, 100 push up per day. And day 1 complete, passed. Okay, even though nag-stop naman, pero still kaya medyo naghihina na yung balikat ko, pero okay lang. 100 push up per day, 30 days transformation challenge. Okay, alright.